channel. So today I have this Mother's Day birthday card that I had to make for Mother's Day, and I had to get it done because she's not here in this country. So that's what I came with in the end. I think it turned out really beautiful and it's really elegant. So what I used was this Amazing Paper Grace die set. It was May 20th of this year, so I used that. And then for the sentiment, I used this sentiment. It's from Crafter's Companion. It says celebrate. I got it from Tuesday morning. And the card base is a 6.5 by 6.5 card base that I made myself in the end. I just took a 8.5 by 11 and I cut it at 6.5, and then I took another sheet and cut it 6 by 6, and then I scored it on the one that has 8.5 by 6.5, and that's how I got my card base, and I really love it in the end. Well, thank you for stopping by and look at this beautiful card I made for her. Like and subscribe. See ya.